How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the setup guide for Minecraft modding using mCreator, done by Code Ninjas. Anyways, getting straight down into it. Sorry about that. We have 4 programs that you pretty much need on your computer. Most of these are multi-platform, which means you can do Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever. But just note this will be done using Windows as the example, and your mileage may vary on doing the same steps on Mac. Anyways, the first program we need to make sure that we have installed, since we're modifying the Java Minecraft using mCreator that can make Java mods, we're going to need Java installed on our computer. This one's super simple. I'm going to have links to all these in the description below. But basically, once you load into the page, you just click this nice big red Java download button, and here it'll have the agree and start free download, and then it'll download it just like that, and you can just click on that file and install it. Nothing too exciting. I just keep clicking next until it's done. The next one, and obvious one, is Minecraft. We're going to need Minecraft in order to mod Minecraft. So you do need a Java Edition account for Minecraft. That just means that you need to have this copy right here, and I'm going to show it on my computer in just a second. But if it runs on the Switch, if it runs on the Xbox, if it runs on the PlayStation, it's most likely not, well, it's not the Java edition of Minecraft. Same with the phone version and everything else. This one's pretty much only on PC, Mac, and Linux, and once you click this download, when you open it up, it should look like this. So the main menu will look like this. It'll say Minecraft Java Edition in big bold letters. It'll have the version down here and the play button down here. The version does not matter as long as you installed the latest release. So it can be 1.16, it can be 1.18. At the time of the video, just make sure this is set to latest release. Hit play so Minecraft downloads and installs all the files it needs for the latest release. And then once it loads into the game, you can just exit that out because you're all done with that step. If you don't have a Java Edition account, it's about $26, $27 to get one. Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart will usually have the key cards, and you can also buy it straight from Minecraft.net. So let me go ahead and close that one out. Alright, so the next product is Paint.net. This one is a Windows application, though you can probably find something extremely similar if it's not already built in for Mac. It's basically an easier to use version of Photoshop, but it can do more than Paint. And there is 2 versions for this, and why 2 versions exist, I have no idea. There is the Windows UWP app, which is paid, and you have to get it through the Windows Store. And there's the classic Win32 application, which is basically everything else you install on Windows. That's free. This is the superior version. This is also the free version. Makes no sense to go with this one. You're just giving yourself a headache, and it's costing you money. If you want to support them, feel free to donate, but obviously this is all, well, don't donate to Java, they're multi-million-dollar corporation, but these other guys, well, same with Minecraft. These other guys are usually doing stuff open source for the community. Anyway, so download this, hit download now. It'll bring you to this page. They have a couple of community forums, whatnot, tutorials if you want to get familiar with it before the class. Otherwise, you can just click this free download now. The important thing to note about this one is it comes in a zipped folder instead of just an easy to click executable like this where it says .exe. So basically what that means is once it's done downloading, you want to right click on this down here and hit show in folder. It will show you the file you just downloaded. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to select extract all. That's going to pull up this decompress tool. I'm going to click extract. Once it's done, it will show me the contents inside of it. That way I can just double click this and we're good to go. This one's real simple too. The express settings work fine. You can click next. After a while, it will be installed on your computer. Alright, so fair warning for both of these two, Paint.net and MCreator. So Paint.net and MCreator, your computer may scream it's like unrecognized app, or do you trust this app? Windows will usually alert you when an app has less than 10,000 downloads. That doesn't mean it's a virus or illegitimate, it just means that it doesn't recognize it. You may have to click the more info and run anyways, or allow it through the firewall. As these apps get more and more use, then Windows recognizes it. But if you do a virus scan after you download it, these are going to come up clean by Windows Defender, Malwarebytes, and Kaspersky for the ones I've tried so far. That, and I've also used them for about a year now, and I've had no issues on all my computers that it's installed on. It inject ads. They don't really they don't harass you with anything more than any other company with the email newsletter if you try to give them your email for whatever reason. But I find the newsletters just everywhere under the sun is going to try to spam you with something to your email. Speaking of which, when you download MCreator, it's going to ask if you want to make an account. That's totally optional. There's a big skip button, and that is kind of like that newsletter I was talking about. The MCreator website, it's fairly simple. When you load into it, I would show you, but right now, the hotel Wi-Fi is really acting up. But up here in the top right, there's a big download button. When you click on it, it'll bring you to this page, and on here, it'll show you all the different products. The only thing we're interested in is the latest release of MCreator. At the time of this video, it's 2020.2. Later on in the future, this number may change, but up here in the top is the newest version. When you click download, it'll show you the different platforms like Mac, Windows, Linux. Just select your computer, and it'll download the file and install it from there. Now, it's very preferred if you're able to get these applications installed ahead of time. Some of these applications can take 15-30 minutes to fully set up and download all their files. MCreator is a larger program, which means that make sure you have some space left on your computer. If your computer is saying it's running out of space, then it will probably definitely not fit on the last remaining gigabyte or so that your computer has. Anyways, I will see you in class, and I hope you're ready to get started on your Minecraft modding. Have a good day.